diversity of tropical forests has amazed biologists for centuries. However, there are two mechanisms which are known to reduce diversity: competition for resources, with the most efficient species excluding the others, and drift, the fluctuation of the number of individuals in the population, which can randomly go to zero. So how can such diversity be maintained? Among other mechanisms, two authors, Janzen in 1970 and Connell in 1971, independently proposed a solution, named the Janzen-Connell hypothesis. When trees produce seeds, most seeds fall just beneath and around it, and some are dispersed further away. Then, some pests come around adult trees to consume seeds, because this is where they are the most abundant. As a result, only seeds far from adults survive, and there is space around for heterospecific seeds to sprout, that is, seeds from other species, and this maintains diversity in the landscape. As soon as a species gets too rare, there's more space where seeds can survive in the landscape, contrary to more common species for which the landscape is full of conspecifics, which prevents seeds to survive. We can use computers to simulate large forests over a long time scale with trees that can do three things: die, disperse seeds, and have an exclusion zone around them, which reduce conspecific survival. A 2019 study showed that with an initial forest of 3,000 species and hundreds of thousands of trees, it could be possible to maintain hundreds of species, depending on the survival rate around conspecifics, the size of the forest, and the area of the exclusion zone. In a changing climate, it is important to understand those mechanisms to adequately predict and conserve biodiversity patterns in tropical forests.